I'll give you a quick story. I remember I played for Dick Williams in '71, and now he's at Seattle. Spring training, and I got along great with Dick. I learned a lot from Dick. And he saw me in spring training, and it was the spring training of '88, and Sandy had done a real good job of beefing up our club. '87, we came in second to the Twins. We were a 500 club, and we had a great offseason. Added about 6 or 7 guys: Dave Henderson, Bob Welsh, Ron Hassey, Dave Park. It was ridiculous how good we got. And he told me in spring training, he says, you got a lot of talent. It's going to be a circus, because he looked at the personalities. Mid-season, he came in after we beat them a weekend in Oakland. As he was going to the bus, he says, you know what, I was wrong.